Ever wonder why some people seem to achieve everything they set their minds to, while others stay stuck in the same place? Here's a secret. It's not luck. It's all about clarity and focus. And guess what? A vision board can give you both, if you know how to do it right. Today, we're diving into the world of vision boards. Not the kindergarten cut-and-paste projects you might be thinking of, but a real practical tool that can change your life. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a vision board that actually works, step by step. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Ready to make 2025 your breakthrough year? Let's go. Most people have dreams, big ones. But those dreams stay stuck in their heads or scribbled in notebooks that get shoved in drawers. The problem? Lack of clarity. Without a clear vision, it's almost impossible to focus your energy or take meaningful action. You end up spinning your wheels, feeling frustrated, and wondering why you're not making progress. Sound familiar? That's where a vision board comes in. It's not magic, but it can feel like it. A well-made vision board isn't just pretty pictures on a board. It's a daily reminder of what you're working towards and why it matters. It keeps you on track, even when things get tough. But here's the kicker. If you do it wrong, it's just a waste of time. So let's make sure you get it right. A vision board is a physical or digital collage of images, words, and symbols that represent your goals and aspirations. But here's the trick. It's not just about slapping up random pictures. It's about being intentional. Every single item on your board needs to mean something to you. If it doesn't spark emotion or excitement, it doesn't belong. Step 1. Get clear on your goals before you start cutting out pictures. Figure out what you actually want. Reflect on your goals for the next year or even the next 5 years. Break them down into categories like career, relationships, health, finances, and personal growth. Write them down. The more specific, the better. Don't just say, "I want to be successful." What does success look like to you? Is it a promotion, a certain income level, or starting your own business? The clearer you are, the more powerful your vision board will be. Step 2. Gather your supplies. If you're making a physical vision board, grab a sturdy board, scissors, glue, and some magazines. Think outside the box. Print images from the internet, use your own photos, or even draw illustrations. Make it personal and inspiring. For digital boards, tools like Canva or Pinterest are perfect. Step 3. Choose the right images and words. Don't just pick the first pretty picture you see. Look for images that represent your goals and the feelings associated with achieving them. If your goal is to travel more, find a picture of a destination that excites you. If you want to improve your fitness, maybe it's an image of someone running a marathon or lifting weights. The same goes for words. Quotes, affirmations, and single words that resonate with you can be incredibly powerful. Step 4. Arrange your board. Now comes the creative part. Arrange your images and words on the board. There's no right or wrong way, but put your most important goals front and center. Group similar goals together so it feels organized, but don't stress about making it perfect. The point is for it to inspire you, not to impress anyone else. Step 5. Make it a daily habit. A vision board is only as good as the attention you give it. Put it somewhere you'll see it every day, on your bedroom wall, your office desk, or even as your phone's wallpaper if it's digital. Spend a few minutes daily visualizing yourself achieving those goals. Feel the emotions. This isn't just woo-woo stuff. It's about training your brain to focus on what matters most. When you give your goals daily attention, you'll notice something amazing. Opportunities start popping up. Ideas start flowing. You feel more motivated to take action. That's not magic, that's science. It's called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. When you focus on something consistently, your brain filters out distractions and concentrates on what aligns with your goals. A vision board helps activate that system and keeps it running. To recap, a vision board isn't just a fun arts and crafts project. It's a powerful tool for gaining clarity, staying focused, and keeping your motivation alive. The steps are simple. Get clear on your goals, gather your supplies, choose meaningful images and words, arrange your board with intention, and make it a daily habit. Do this, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you're ready to take control of your future, start your vision board today. And while you're at it, hit subscribe and share. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on building the life you deserve. We are reaching our destiny. Visit us at reachingourdestiny.com. Thanks for watching.